Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the only proven kit, a compatible double DIN GPS head unit, the Accord 2018 wiring harness adapter, and the antenna adapter. Disconnect the negative battery and wait. This prevents ECU errors and airbag faults. Once done, use trim tools to release the center dash panels, work from the edges and lift gently. Remove screws holding the factory radio, then slide the OEM unit forward enough to access the back connectors. You do not need to remove the entire dash yet, just enough space to work. Now you handle the complex wiring so the GPS functions integrate correctly. Match the harness adapter wires to the head unit leads by color and function, solder and heat shrink, or use quality crimp connectors to ensure reliable connections. Attach the OEM antenna coax to the new antenna adapter so GPS and radio signals are intact. Also connect ground, constant 12V, and switched ignition power. If your kit includes a CAN bus or steering wheel control interface, plug it in now so vehicle controls and vehicle speed pulse for GPS work. Reinstalling is straightforward but critical. Reconnect the battery temporarily and power up the new head unit to test GPS lock, radio reception, reverse camera, and steering wheel controls. Once verified, slide the unit into the double DIN cage, tighten mounting screws, and reattach the dash trim with factory clips. Drive outside to confirm a steady satellite lock and navigation accuracy. If you lose GPS or have no signal, check the antenna coax continuity, ensure the antenna adapter is fully seated, and verify the head unit has a solid ground and constant 12V supply.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.